All right, quick question. Have you ever ordered coconut shrimp in a restaurant, taken one bite, thought that was amazing, but I'm never going to make this at home? Well, today I'm going to prove that wrong. This is crispy golden coconut shrimp. Totally doable at home, no deep fryer, no chef skills required, and I'll explain why each step works so you actually understand what you're doing and not just following along the recipe. Right, let's cook. Here's the best part. The ingredients list is short and friendly. We've got raw shrimp, make sure they're peeled, plain flour, a couple of eggs, Panko breadcrumbs, sweet shredded coconut, that's important that it is sweet, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then we'll need some oil for frying. That's it, no weird ingredients, no spice drawer gymnastics. Anytime you see crispy food like this, whether it's shrimp, fish, chicken, you'll always see the 3-bowl system. And that's plain flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Now that's not just tradition, there's a reason for this. The first bowl is just the flour and any spices. So I'm using garlic powder, salt, and pepper here. Now here's the thing that people don't realize. Flour isn't just about flavor here, it's about drying. Shrimp naturally has surface moisture. If you were to cover this in egg, the egg would just slide right off. That's why we dredge it in flour. It's really there to soak up the moisture. Next up is the egg. Egg is basically edible glue. The proteins inside the egg, when they're heated up, essentially stick everything together. This is where the coating commitment happens. And now for the star of the show. We're mixing Panko breadcrumbs with sweet shredded coconut. Now Panko is lighter and airier than normal breadcrumbs. It doesn't pack down as tightly, which means more little air pockets. And those air pockets equal crunch. The coconut adds some sweetness, but it also does something else. Coconut contains natural sugars, and when the sugars hit hot oil, they caramelize, which is why coconut shrimp gets that deep golden color so quickly. That's not burning, that's controlled caramelization. And that's why we don't fry on this crazy high heat. So we take our shrimp, flour first, shake off the excess, egg, fully coated, then straight into the coconut mix. And don't just sprinkle, gently press it, else it'll fall off. You want to keep the shrimp, you want the shrimp to basically feel like it's wearing a little crunchy jacket. So heat up our oil, medium heat, and this is important. If the oil is too cool, the shrimp absorb all the oil and go greasy. If it's too hot, the coconut browns before the shrimp cook. Medium heat gives you control. Importantly, give them space. Crowding the pan drops the oil temperature. Instead of frying, you end up steaming. Steam is the enemy of crispiness. So listen to the sizzle. That sound, that's water evaporating instantly. And that evaporation is what creates the crunch. Now these only need 2 or 3 minutes. You want them essentially to go nice and golden brown. They should turn into or curl into a nice C shape. If they've gone into a full O shape, you've effectively overcooked them. So it's time to plate up. Look at that crust. This is what happens when moisture's controlled, oil temperature is right, and the coating actually sticks. It's crunchy outside, it's juicy inside, and there's no greasiness. Right, so let's give these a try. First thing you get is the insane crunchiness from the Panko breadcrumbs. Then you get the sweetness of the coconut. And then you obviously get the savory shrimp underneath. And because you've put some of the seasoning in the flour, there's a hint of pepper, a little bit of saltiness, and a little bit of garlic as well. Now this, I can absolutely see why restaurants charge mile-high prices for this, but it's so cheap to cook at home. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, have a look through my videos. I've got tons more coming up. This is Dadlicious Eats. It's proper, good food that doesn't have to cost the earth. I'll see you in the next one.